Hi everyone, thank you that you joined me again. Today's video is going to be very special to me because today it is my birthday. Yay! So I thought it would be a fun video to do a get ready with me, especially with all of my pre-birthday gifts that I received from my friends and my family members. So thoughtful of them. And I'm super excited to show you all my gifts. So let's first begin with the gifts that I received and how I will be using it. In this video I will show you step by step. So make sure you stay tuned till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. The birthday gifts that I received are a set of beautiful makeup brushes, then Maybelline's blush palette, 3 Nikkake's eyeshadow palettes, more products from Nikkake like blush, lip liner and lip oil, a set of earrings and a beautiful necklace. Thank you so much guys for this gorgeous birthday gifts. Let's get ready for my birthday. So here I have already prepped my skin and I'm using Lakme CC cream as a foundation. This not only moisturizes your skin, it brightens and freshens your skin as well. And the benefit is it evens your skin tone. This makes it perfect for everyday use. After applying the cream with my fingers, I'm just dabbing with a mini beauty blender. Here I'm using Nikkake's lip oil to moisturize my lips. Texture is really smooth. And here I'm using Maybelline Eye Eraser shade 02 as a concealer. And I'm applying it under the eye in my T-zone area, as well as wherever I have dark spots. And to blend my concealer, again I'm taking a mini beauty blender which is damped and I'm blending it. These mini beauty blenders are perfect in size, especially for your eye applications and touch up for your under eye concealers as well as eyeshadows. Well, it takes a bit to get used to since they are so tiny, but definitely worth it. As I mentioned earlier, I am using my birthday gifts in this video, and these are the brushes that I received. I really like the quality of this brush. It's very soft and it works like a treat for powders, bronzers and blushes. Like if you're serious about your brushes, taking the plunge and buying a set might save you money in the long run. And I feel very fortunate to have such an amazing friend who exactly knows what I needed. To begin with my eyes, I'm going to use one of the palettes from Nikkake, and the palette that I'm using is Poison Apple. The eyeshadows in this palette are very pigmented and the colors are super bright. And for today's look, I'm making my eyes more brighter with a pink shade. Plus it's my birthday and I wanted to go a little over than usual. Best part is, these palettes are easily affordable, and if you want to know where you can buy these products, I will list all the products in the description box down below. After blending my pink eyeshadow as a transition shade, I have used a darker shade in the inner corner and the outer corner of my eyelid. And in the middle of my eyelid, I have used a concealer so that I can pack the shimmer eyeshadow well. This is something I like to do and it's quite convenient. Whenever you use a shimmer eyeshadow, and this will make the shimmer pop out more and also helps for a smoother application, and it sticks around and doesn't fall out. And like I always do, I use Maybelline concealer at the end of my eyeshadow to neaten up my eyeshadow edges. I am so fascinated with this eyeshadow palette. They are so pigmented, as I said, and blending it well will give you the perfect desired eyes. And apart from investing in the right eyeshadow palettes, make sure you buy the right eyeshadow blending brush. And for my eyes, I'm using LA Colors waterproof eyeliner. I'm just creating a medium wing and not extending it, as I don't want to look more dramatic. Next, I'm using Lakme Kajal to darken my waterline. And to give that final touch up, I'm using a soft pink color Sponge Puff that I purchased from Color Bar. For my cheeks today, I'm going to use 2 different blushes that I received, one from Maybelline and another from Nikkake. Well, the reason I'm mixing these 2 blushes because I wanted a pink tone as well as a peach tone on my cheeks for today's look. And with the blush brush, dab these products on my cheeks and slowly keep blending it evenly on my skin. Next, with a contour brush, I'm using a bronzer in areas where I want to add more depth. The areas would be sides of my nose, the jawlines, the hollows of my cheeks, and also the temples on my forehead. And to highlight, I'm going to use a fan brush, and I'm using the same highlighter from the blush palette that I received. And I'm going to highlight the areas of my cheekbones, on my nose, the middle of my forehead, the cupid's bow, and also over the temples of my eyebrows. Now I'm using a lip liner of Nika K to outline my lips. And today I'm going to mix two different lip shades. One is Maybelline Superstay Pink Lipstick, and with the lip brush I'm coating my entire lips with this lipstick. And next I'm using Miss Claire's Nude Pink Lipstick, and I'm just taking a tiny amount on my finger and I'm just applying it in the middle of my lips. And to finish my makeup look, I'm using Maybelline Hypercurl Mascara on my lashes, and I'm going to layer on the mascara to finish off my perfect eyes. You can layer it with 3 or 4 coats for a full lash effect. And ta-da! Here I'm done with my makeup. And finally, to complete my birthday look, I'm going to wear these beautiful accessories that I received from my friend. And I'm so happy that I received these birthday gifts from my friends. Every time I will see it, use it and wear it, it will remind me of each and every one of you. I feel very fortunate to have such friends and family like you all. I must say you all certainly have a knack for selecting the right gift for me. I simply adore it. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope this video gives you some unique ideas to gift your loved ones. And I will see you all in my next video soon. Till then, you all take care. Bye-bye.